Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you a nice, quick, and easy way to make a lower calorie taco salad. Very easy, not many ingredients at all. So the first thing you can just get any of your classic iceberg or any kind of lettuce that you want. I use this whole bag, 4 servings in this whole bag. So 60 calories for a whole bag of lettuce. It's gonna really fill you up. It's a lot of volume. Get a big bowl if you're doing it this way. Next thing I already pre-made, but I just bought some all-natural ground white turkey. This had 1.25 pounds in it, 20 ounces. I have 7 ounces left. So I fried it up in a pan, and then added some taco seasoning for 4 ounces. It's 130 calories, and 30 calories of that is from fat. So only 3.5 grams of fat in this, 0 carbohydrates, and 26 grams of protein for 4 ounces. I have 7 ounces here. So when you're going and getting your kind of meat, make sure it's 97% lean. The leaner the better, the less fat. You don't have to go with turkey if you don't like turkey. They do have a 97.3 in ground beef. I just tend to like the turkey because it is lower in calories. Ground beef, 97 is about 170 calories or so. And then like 70 calories from fat. So I definitely go with the turkey alternative. Butterball or any kind that you have in your local grocery will work. Don't need much of the meat at all, so I fried it up in a pan, and then I just added some taco seasoning. I got the hot and spicy, so I used half a packet of this. It's about 45 calories. There's 6 servings in this, so I'd say about half is left in here or so. So 45 calories just for the whole packet. If you only used half of it, not bad at all. So after you get your taco meat and you got it all cooked up, you got your salad in there. What else I like to add? And you see here, 7 ounces is more than enough. You want 8 ounces, you want 4 ounces, it's up to you. And then I'll use me shredded mild cheddar cheese, fat-free. And I'm going to add 2 servings of this. So 1/4 a cup, 45 calories. I'm going to use 90 calories of this. 9 grams of protein in this, 2 carbohydrates, no fat. So 18 more grams of protein. It's going to be definitely a high protein salad bowl. So I'm going to weigh it out. I want 2 servings. So it's about, I believe, 56 grams. And you don't have to add the cheese. Add the cheese if you want. If you don't like to add the cheese. But if you're making a taco salad, really put any kind of things you want to add. Tomato, whatever you like on a taco salad. Tomatoes ain't high in calories at all, so it ain't gonna add many calories if you want to do that. I don't have any tomatoes right now, or I probably would add some tomatoes to this too. So there you go, 56 grams. And you see this is a very hefty bowl. Huge bowl of taco salad. Definitely going to fill you up. And it's very low in calories considering how much you have. Last up, I just like to add some more crunch to it. I just use these flex chips. If you can't find the smaller bags, I have some of the personal bags. They do have the bigger ones. They do come in cheddar, sour cream, buffalo flavor, and a barbecue. I'm going to use the cheddar and sour cream on this just to give it some more cheddar flavor. But usually 22 of these crisp are 120 calories, 3 grams of fat, and 10 grams of protein. They also have 5 grams of fiber in them, so definitely a good amount of fiber in some chips that don't taste bad at all. I mean, these really taste good for as much protein, as much fiber as they have in them. Just already crushed them up, and then I just sprinkle those on top. Give it some more extra flavor. And that's really a hefty bowl right there. And then whatever kind of taco seasoning you like to put on there, I just put some Red's Hots Buffalo, 0 calories, and I add this to my taco salad. But you can add any kind of, you like the El Paso taco flavoring or whatever kind that you like. So if you were to make that the same way that I did, it would come out to 543 calories, 38 grams of carbs, 9.1 grams of fat, and 77.5 grams of protein. So definitely tons of protein in this. Definitely a huge bowl. It's going to fill you up. If you can't eat all this, or you want less, you want to share it, whatever the case is, take half. I mean, you're talking 270 calories or so for half of this. Not bad at all, considering how much food you have here. So, hefty amount of food. So, thank you guys again for watching my videos. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Hit the bell button to be notified of any new videos. Please leave a comment if you're enjoying these types of videos. Hit the thumbs up button if you're enjoying. Really appreciate everybody watching, and you guys have a great day.